Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove songs from Instagram post. So in order to remove songs from Instagram post, you need to firstly open the Instagram app, and from here what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right and select this three-lined icon in the top right corner. And from here scroll a bit down until you find this account type and tools, select that. And under this you need to select this branded content and make sure your status is eligible for the branded content. And once it is eligible, you need to go back to the post that you want to remove songs from and select that. And here you need to select this two-line icon in the top right of this post. And here you need to scroll a bit down and select this partnership labels and ads. And here you need to simply toggle on this icon that says add paid partnership label and select done icon in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can remove songs from Instagram post. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.